Welcome to this new section. I'm very excited that you're here. So as you know, the whole point of this course is to get you going with Compose, Jetpack Compose, which means that we're going to be building things. Okay, so I don't want to make this a boring situation where you're just learning concepts, but we're going to be building things and we'll learn that way. So, okay, so what is it that we're going to be building next? Well, next we're going to be building this awesome tip application, because the world needs another tip app. But the idea really here is to, of course, to go through the process of putting together a full-fledged Compose app and learn about other kinds of composable functions, which are widgets and so forth. So that's the whole idea of how we do that. And so now I'm going to show you a live demo of this app. So the idea is very simple. When you first open the app, you will be prompted with adding some sort of a bill. Okay. And so in this case here, I can go ahead and change the split amount. So if you are going to dinner with a few friends or a friend, you can put the amount, the entire bill, which is 100 in this case, and then we want to split by 2 because we're 2 people. And then, of course, right away, you can also slide left and right. We have a nice slider here, and this will determine what amount of tip we want to give. Right? If service is real good, it can go, let's say, about 33. Okay, and that just tells us at the top there, you can see right here, it tells us at the top there the total per person. So for 2 people, $100, and we want to tip 33%. We can add 33 to 100. That's 133 divided by 2. It's 66.50. Okay, and we can add, of course, depending on how many people decided to join the party, we can keep adding the split. So in this case, 5. You can see the numbers are changing. The amount per person that has to pay is also changing. If we decide that, it's just us tonight, 1 person, there's 1, and voila. This is the whole amount that we will have to pay. So there are a lot of moving parts here, not only the user interface, but also the logic behind it and how to put together such thing in Compose. So this is what we're going to be doing next, and let's go ahead and get started.